Good afternoon, this is Jim with the Kaper II company. Today we are going to be installing Kaper II's ABS polycarbonate axle cover system. Let's talk about the parts that come in the axle cover kit. We have an axle cover. We have a wheel liner. This is designed to put on the wheel before we put the axle cover on to protect the wheel from scratching. We have 10 screw-on lug nut covers that screw onto the lugs of the vehicle. We have an installation tool which is designed to help you tighten down the lug nut covers once you get them on the vehicle. The axle cover is made of ABS polycarbonate. It's very durable at low temperatures and high temperatures. It's impact resistant and will provide years of service. The axle cover has screw-on lug nut covers, and there is a design where the lug nut covers can be screwed on and they lock into position, but they can also be easily released if you desire to remove the axle cover. We're out in the field with a brand new Peterbilt truck. This truck has 285 millimeter bolt circle, and that's what this axle cover is designed to fit. First thing we want to do is inspect the wheel to make sure all the studs on the lug nut covers are on properly. We want to take our clear plastic protection ring and slide it onto the stud pattern. We want to slide this right back so that this little plastic protection piece fits right up against the wheel. We want to take our ABS polycarbonate axle cover and we want to line it up with the stud pattern, slide it onto the studs right past the lug nuts, and get it flat against the wheel. We want to take our threaded lug nut covers, put it right on the stud, and we want to get it started in hand tighten. We want to go around with each of the studs and hand tighten the lug nut covers on each of the studs. As you can see, it goes pretty fast. We're just trying to make sure that everything is even and level and nice. After we've got all of our lug nut covers on the wheel, we then want to take our installation tool and we want to slide them over the lug nut cover, and then we want to go ahead and we want to tighten these lugs down until we hear it click. That tells you that it is tight enough to retain the axle cover. As you can see, this goes pretty fast. There we have it. The axle cover is firmly in place. We have this front axle cover in place. The chrome plating is triple nickel chromium plating. A layer of copper, layer of nickel, layer of chromium. The shine is outstanding. If you look, you'll see that you can see my reflection in this axle cover. It's just like a mirror. And with a little soap and water, it'll stay like that for a long time. With our new easy on-off lug system, these lug nuts can be removed as easily as they went on. All we have to do is take our tool, give it a few little quick turns, and because of the design of the lug nut system, the lug nuts loosen right up, and we can take this axle cover off as quickly as we put it on.